na dumaan sa atin, tayo ay naging matatag at patuloy na haharap sa anumang hirap nito.
It's the feeling I get when I look in your eyes and you're staring back. Oh, I treasure good moments like that. It's the time that we spend doing nothing at all. Stay up on a call. Oh, with you there is nothing I lack. If you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out.
Yung regalo ko sa iyo, Edward. Yung regalo ko sa iyo, Israel. I love it. I love it.
It's the path that we made to be safe and secure.
Wow, sapatos nga eh.
Kurt, maraming salamat sa mami ko na nagregalo dito sa akin. Salamat sa regalo nyo. I love you.
To talk it out instead of parting ways. So if you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth, love is all these and more. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more.
At bilang iyong kabiyak, umasa ka na ako'y iyong magiging kakampi at katuwang sa lahat ng ating pagdadaanan.
Next bride, Dalian, and also next bride, gusto mo din, my maid of honor, Ma'am Seb, and Ma'am Cyril. Yes.
Wow! Patsa!
Pangako ko sa iyo, haharapin natin to lahat ng magkasama. Sabay natin tong malalagpasan dahil alam natin meron tayong Panginoon na umagapay sa atin.
What is this?
What? Gold! Iba!
Wow, bracelet.
I can see everything hidden and known. We can be anything here with you.
Mami ko, ikaw ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal. At buong buhay kong itataas at ipagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Mahal na mahal kita, Jubilee, magpakailanman.
Bilang iyong asawa, pinapangako ko sa iyo na lagi kitang aalagaan at pahalagahan at sasamahan sa hirap at ginhawa. I stand by you forever and I will always be there for you no matter what.